3 channel pressure relief vents. 2 chest seals for the treatment of entry, exit or multiple penetrating wounds. Advanced adhesive gel for superior adhesion, even to sweaty or hairy chests. Red tip technology single step, peel, and apply application that also allows for burping the wound if necessary. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to pack in any first aid kit. Great for a through and through. The best gear is what you have with you when disaster strikes. This 2-pack will seal up a through and through gunshot wound. The compact form factor will fit into any first aid kit, even a compact EDC type. I keep a set in each car and I keep another set in my range bag. Very highly recommended.